This healthy ginger turmeric tea only takes minutes to make. And it's bursting full of anti-inflammation healing properties, perfect for the cold flu season. Health benefits of ginger turmeric tea. Let's take a look at how each of the key ingredients supports the immune system. 1. Ginger. Ginger is one of those foods that is bursting with immune-boosting benefits. It has strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects which boosts your immune system and keeps it healthy. Ginger is antibacterial, so it helps support your immune system. Ginger is antiviral and has been shown in a study to stimulate the immune system to kill viruses, including respiratory viruses. 2. Turmeric. Turmeric is another natural food that boosts your immune system, even in people with immune disorders. It has one of the highest anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties as well. Turmeric has antiviral and antifungal properties. Turmeric has been shown to activate the immune system in preventing and treating cancer cells. Turmeric improves brain function and working memory, lowers the risk of brain disease, and lowers the risk of heart disease. 3. Black pepper. Black pepper has also been shown to enhance the immune system. It contains also anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Black pepper has also been shown to contain antibacterial properties and fever-reducing. Black pepper is especially essential in this tea because it increases the body's absorption of ginger and turmeric. How to make ginger turmeric tea. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon ground turmeric powder or 1 tablespoon grated fresh turmeric. 1 tablespoon grated fresh ginger. Freshly ground black pepper, a few grinds. 4 cups water. For each 1 cup serving, add the juice of half a lemon. Half a teaspoon raw honey, more or less to taste. Optional ingredients: add cinnamon, cardamom and/or cloves while simmering for a chai-like tea. Directions: combine turmeric, ginger, pepper and water in a pot on the stove. Gently bring to a boil. Reduce heat, cover and let simmer gently for 10 to 15 minutes. Let cool slightly covered, and then strain through a fine mesh strainer. For each 1 cup serving, add lemon juice and a bit of raw honey just before drinking. Enjoy as a soothing hot tea or as a refreshing cold tea. Pour over ice cubes in a glass and garnish with lemon slices and a cinnamon stick. Store any extra in a covered glass jar in the fridge. The bottom line: several promising studies have found that ginger and turmeric can have powerful effects on nausea, pain, inflammation, and immune function.